A Dog Called Max, the picture book by David Pepper. You can read along with your own copy of the book. If you don't have a copy yet, click on the Amazon link below to order your very own. In a land far away, there is a dog called Max. He is a black dog with a white patch. He has the softest, smoothest ears in the world, and they flop down the sides of his head. He has a beautiful smile and paws as big as hands. Max loves to run after tennis balls. He gets really excited about it and likes lots of different throws, in the air and along the ground. Max loves to do backward flips while catching the tennis ball. He's very good at it, with the right throws. Max loves to run after sticks, then lie down and chew them up. Max loves to get into the back of a car and be taken out somewhere nice. Max loves to go for long walks in forests and mountains. He loves the sights, the sounds, the big open spaces, and the way it feels. Max gets all sleepy in the car on the way home though, and struggles to keep his eyes open. Max really likes to eat and loves a nice bowl of tasty food. The tastier, the better. When Max feels like he likes something to eat, he likes to walk to the fridge and look at the door until it opens. There's nothing Max loves more than to be handed a lovely sausage. Or a tasty piece of cheese cut into slices or squares. Very nice indeed. Of course, Max would really love for sausages and cheese to fall from the sky so he could help himself. Max loves to say hello to all the other dogs, no matter how big or small. Max loves to climb onto the settee, curl up and go to sleep. A cushion is nice to rest his head on. Max also loves to climb onto the settee and rest his head on someone's lap, if someone is available. Max loves to find some nice water where he can go for a swim with a stick. Max loves to howl at the ice cream van when he hears it playing a tune outside. Max loves to eat some ice cream when he gets the chance to do so. If you are ever in that land far away, do stop by and say hello to Max. You know what he loves to do.